Connect's brand ambassador, and also working as a teacher and consulting in digital transformation and digital transformation strategy and new business models with the European University of Madrid. It's a real pleasure to be with all of you today and to be able to speak about Connect and also about our new initiatives around business helping business concepts, how the platform has transformed from a B2B environment to a B for B1. So we call it a B for B, from business for business, business helping business. And also to see with you what tools you can use to access and integrate within different departments of your business, and how the platform can adapt to your needs and help you with networking and with business development as well. We are very interested in seeing your input. I am glad that we are a small group because we can make this really interactive and analyze with each and every one of you the impact that the platform can have upon your company, and the work that we are doing with the chamber and add value to your company, and see if you can use Connect and the help from a chamber to be able to transform and to reach your goals and objectives. Connect has been created as a service for chambers of commerce and their members around the world. First as a matchmaking tool, and it worked really well in that sense. But now everything has been accelerated by and people to collaborate and find business relationships, because at the end of the day, this is what generates value. This is what generates revenue on the long run. To know that you can have strong providers, strong partners, strong collaborators, and people that you can count on, and clients that stay with you on the long run. This is what inspired the whole idea and the new features of Connect, like community features. And Karolina will do a really good demo. Will walk you through all the features of the platform, and then we can to your business and to your sector, to your activity. The idea is now, because we cannot go to events anymore, we cannot go to the trade shows. It's very difficult to build that kind of trust and that kind of business relationship online. Um, so for us, it's very important to find a place where you can do that, not just have a matchmaking tool where you send like cold messages, like you do on LinkedIn, and you don't know who will reply, and so on. So to know that you can also be part of a community of like-minded people, and to know that you can reach out to them and reach out to experts in that field. I just want to quickly share with you my screen um, with the short presentation and the short intro, and then Carolina will walk you through all the features that we have on the platform, and how you can work with the chamber and with us. Let me know if you can see my screen, please.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Perfect. This is why our motto is, it takes a community to build a business, because it started with the African proverb that it takes a whole village to educate and to raise a child. We think that in the same way, we should help and support businesses, and having a trustworthy space where all users and all the companies are validated by a chamber of commerce gives us the possibility to have that. So to know that that company is real, that user is real, is part of a chamber of commerce, and therefore you have this trustworthy environment. How the Connect platform is structured briefly. I started with the B2B side of things, where you have the opportunities. You can buy, you can sell, and you can connect, and you can post opportunities. And Carolina will show you how to do that, how to do searches, how to post, and we'll adapt it to the sectors and to companies that are present today. But we also have the B4B part of the Connect platform, where you can help, share, and learn. So different tools, and a space where you can also meet the buyer, you can learn from experts, you can discuss different issues, find like-minded people, meet the CEO. You can share and learn about different issues about the sector and find that kind of support. Why join Chamber and why join Connects? We believe that the answer to this question lies in this need state map, and that within the platform and with the help of a chamber, you can achieve your objectives. So depending on where you are situated on the need state map, you can access different features within the platform and use them in order to achieve that objective. So I would like to open a question to all of you. If you can please write in the chat the answer to where do you think you are situated in the need state map. On the long term, if you're looking for and you are more results oriented, maybe you want to achieve knowledge or credibility. If it's on the short term part, on the commercial side of things, or the sense of belonging. If your objectives are more people orientated, so around storytelling or recognition, we would really like to learn the answer to this question so that we can see what sort of tools and options you have within Connect to be able to achieve this. So if you can please write that answer in the chat. Now I will give the floor to Karolina, and she will walk you through how the platform works, and then we can see your answers and have open talk around that. Thank you so much, Carolina. The floor is yours.
Thank you, Leila. Hello, everyone. My name is Karolina. I'm actually communities developer at Connect, so kind of a first point of contact for the chambers of commerce and users. I actually I'm more passionate in all the technicalities, so I will share the screen and I will show you more what and how to use the platform, and then we can have a broader discussion how it can help specifically for your business. So basically, I hope you all see my screen.
Yes.
And yeah, okay. So basically, once you have your credentials and you log into the platform, this is the first page you see. And this is the page what we call B2B, because here you can create and browse opportunities, companies and users. At the moment, the platform has more than 35,000 companies on the platform. So it's basically the members of chambers of commerce that you can directly contact and build a new relationship and maybe do the business together. We also offer some external databases, and we have more over the 1,000 opportunities active. And by active, I mean that the companies created opportunities with their offers, which could be buy, sell, or connect, and then they put a validation date, and they are still not expired, so you can still click on them, read it, and respond to them. So basically, as Leila mentioned, the platform is available for a Chamber of Commerce and their members. So at the moment, we have 45 chambers of commerce, which are divided into certain, let's say, clusters. So we have a UK global community, which is Chamber of Commerce local and bilaterals related to United Kingdom. We have Chamber of Commerce in Singapore, quite an extensive list of Belgian chambers, bilaterals and locals, as the connects and all companies based in Belgium. We also have a Caribbean's a few chambers in Colombia, Afghanistan, and the Netherlands. So everyone who joins the platform, besides of going and contacting the companies directly, they can also contact each of the moderators that are on the platform. And moderator is an employee of chamber of commerce who is dedicated to help their members and everyone on the platform to find the new leads. So, depending what you are looking for, you can always contact them. Basically, what you as a company can do, you can, as I mentioned, you can browse the opportunities that are already created. And at the moment, we have 1,000 active. It could be buy, sell, or connect opportunities. So, for example, if you are looking for distributors, investors, or new suppliers, you can always check on the opportunities, connect opportunities, and then you have only those. You can always click on them, read it, and respond to it directly. Well, accidentally, I clicked on the one that it's not English one. So if I can always translate it to English. So then I can read it and I can respond in English. Message, even it's in English, they will be able to translate it that the platform is available in 4 languages. So it's English, Spanish, French, and German. So basically, depending which language you choose as the main one, you will have all the information in that language, and you can always respond and receive the messages in that language. Well, if you can't find any opportunities that would be interesting for you, you can create your own. Basically, you just choose what you want to do. You want to buy, you want to sell, or you want to connect. So if you want to sell, let's say you are the sales provider and your service is accounting, let's say, then you can just write looking for companies that needs an accounting in Lithuania. Then in description you write a little bit more about your offer, and of course it should be very concrete what you are looking for and what type of offer you have. You can put the expiration day here, upload the picture if you have one, and then press publish. It appears as the latest opportunity right here. So everyone from those 35,000 who logs in at that day or moment, they can click on your opportunity, read it, and respond to it. As you can see, it's quite frequently the opportunities are posted on the platform. The other, so this is about the opportunities. And if we talk about the companies, you can also find companies that you are looking for. As I mentioned, we have more than 35,000 of them. And to narrow down the search, you can choose the keyword. If you're looking for the specific company's name, like, Coca-Cola, Barclays, or any other big companies, you can always put just the name. You can choose to look it through the location. So for example, if you're looking for the companies in United Kingdom, the search is already narrowed down to 3,000 members. And if you are, for example, looking for the financial sector, then you get 31 result. So you can click on the company, read about the company, and just contact them directly via inline messages. Or if you don't want to contact the company directly, you can always go to the Chamber of Commerce profile and contact the moderator, which in this specific case is Sarah. If 31 result is not enough for you, you can always go to the external databases. And here we offer 2 of them. So one is Compass. Due to GDPR, we cannot show the email addresses, but basically all the companies that are listed here, so it's more than 11,000. So they correspond to your, to the criteria of the search. So the companies in United Kingdom and operating in financial and insurance activities. You can send them a message. So you write the message here, but it goes to the email address of that company. So for example, if you want to contact the company, they receive the message in their inbox. And of course, to be able to respond to you, they log into the platform and then they respond to you. And besides the Compass, there's also Open Corporates. Open Corporates is quite a big open source database. That's why it usually takes a little bit longer for them to generate the results. And okay, we can stay too long to just watch on this, circling the. Uh, okay, it worked. Yay! So here we have. That's the number that I never can pronounce because I'm not even sure if it's it's 5 million companies in United Kingdom. So basically, you can always click on the company, read about the company, and request an intro that you get via the email. So this is our B2B part. And of course, we always care very much about people not just doing business in a cold calling way. That's why we have communities. This is my favorite. So communities are the closed groups. It could be sectorial related, it could be for the chambers of commerce, it could be cluster related fintech topic, circular economy topic, you name it. It's usually created by the Chamber of Commerce or the users who are on the platform. Those closed groups, the way they work is that I'm not a member of this group, so I can click on the community. I can read about it, but if I want to see what's going on, how many users they have, or what is in the library on the newsfeed, I will get an error. And I will get an error because I'm not a part of this group. I can always request to join this group, but only the manager can decide if I'm actually allowed to join. But once you are in the community, what you can already do is um, see the users who are on the same community. So I deliberately took Leila's community because this is the community where everyone who is interested in digital transformation and innovations for SMEs gather together and share different experiences, ask questions, promotes events, basically talks everything was related to digital transformation. So we can always look at the users. We can send them a message if we want to send a message directly to the person. And then we see in a library where all the information that is in the library, put it at some point, you can always check it again. And then, well, the newsfeed is the main part where people are sharing information. So you see different posts which are related to digital transformation, and people are sharing their articles, asking questions, sharing videos. Also, Leila organizes the events with experts in the digital transformation, which are later on able to watch it for everyone who is part of it, part of this community. So if you are already on the platform and you are interested in digital transformation, you can always join Leila Invites community. Leila, did I forget anything? No, I don't think so. And
No,
actually,
I don't think so.
so what it would be more interesting is to hear um, what are your expectations, any questions, anything, what is interesting for you in digital transformation and connects. We will try to answer it.
Karolina, let me just reply. That was a great presentation. Thank you for this. And for us, actually, there's a lot of value, especially in terms of connecting. Our two main intentions, as I've described very shortly, one of them is reaching out to the SMEs who are lacking the opportunities to get finance, as far as I've seen, especially in Lithuania for the maybe a lower than medium size, especially. So it would be a good platform to reach out to these SMEs, especially that are related to technology innovation and in the areas that we would like to be focusing on, first of all. The second focus area for us is, as I mentioned again, is the financial companies, fintechs, payment institutions, and EMIs, etc. We would like to be providing them account services and payment services anyways. And first of all, for those who are in Lithuania, and I guess we'll be in touch with Julius. Julius, am I pronouncing right?
Yes, that is close enough.
Oh, okay. I'll drop an email to you and we'll get connected. This is the first initiative throughout this webinar anyways. So for also those companies who are outside of the Lithuania, reaching out to them throughout these external networks, it's going to be providing us a lot of value also. I'd like to thank you for that. So that's my 2 cents. Thank you.
That's a very good observation, Sarp, if I may interrupt quickly.
Sure.
I would go one step further. Perhaps you'd be interested in setting up a community where you could actually talk more about European Merchant Bank, how your bank was established initially. By the way, regards to Ekmel, I know him quite well.
Yeah.
In terms of how you differentiate yourself against the banks that are in place at the moment. What is the advantage of boutique banking? So to really set a precedent, because I know you guys are new survive that.
Sure, that would be great. Thank you for reminding this. I also taken the note of these closed group communities as well as the newsletter. We'll be actively using it. Thank you for that.
No problem.
Exactly, because you can use platform in 2 ways. So if you want to reach out to more people and to all the companies that are on the platform, you can post as many opportunities as you want and dividing them as you want and target different audiences. You can the link to the opportunity that you posted so that they can contact you easily. But if you want to direct your message to just maybe specific companies, you can become a member of a community that is of your interest. So maybe in digital transformation, when we have events or topics around fintech, you want to publish something just for those members and contact them because I think that you can agree with me. It's a difference when you receive a message from someone offering you a service, and when you receive a message from someone telling you, I see that we are members of the same community. I saw that you're doing an event on fintech, or that you're looking at same, or even if you cannot attend the event, you can see the recording afterwards. And if someone was to look at the recording of this event today and would see, okay, I saw your comment around fintech in the event that you participated with the Chamber of Commerce, and I would really like to contact you, and you would reply to that message, I believe, if I just send you a message with. So I think that this is the added value of the platform.
Of course, I totally agree with you. It touches the reliability aspect in your diagram. Yeah, it will be valuable for us to give this impression. Yeah.
Exactly, and you can see the users and the members of that community, and you can see who participated in events, so you can network and communicate with them after the event is over. So it doesn't stop here. It's not just a Zoom webinar that we all connect and we just sit there and listen. It's a way in which we can collaborate and start working together. And as Eric suggested, to start to build a community, because there you can invite your own contacts and the people that you work with and make the most of the external databases and the internal connects database, and invite people from the sectors that you're interested in.
And if I can add to that, actually, there are some chambers of commerce who they collaborate. They created one community where they just try to connect their members, so from the more or less the same region. And actually, they made some videos of their members where they present themselves, introduce themselves, say what they are looking for and stuff like that. And actually, companies who were not even planning to attend the event, they accidentally they saw the bit of the company's introduction and they were like, oh, this is actually a company for me. So you never know where you get the lead. And yeah, so that's always good to show your face and do stuff. It's a very silent audience, and I see some new people joining. So Edgar is from RKP, Vilja, Arius, Cornelia. So would you be interested to, get involved in the discussion?
Well, to be honest, I was most interested in seeing the platform itself and just knowing the capabilities of it. So I'm not interested to join the discussion because, I see everything in the screen and I'm grateful for that. Thanks.
Thank you for the honesty.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Vilja. So the same for me. I'm from a law firm, and we are more than 150 persons working in the law firm. I just also wanted to understand what this platform is about, what you can see, and what are the possibilities offered by this platform. But in fact, I would need to give either your contact to our marketing persons because they should look whether how to say how it does it whether and how does it correspond to our needs. And also we have associated offices in Latvia and Estonia, so the marketing persons should be more involved. Personally, I will use if our law firm will use at all. So it's more like that. So probably the marketing. It would be very important maybe for the marketing personnel to be involved in such kind of events, that they would see because I would explain, I could brief, I could show, but nevertheless they need to see, and in fact at the very end they decide a lot.
It's true. I started with Connect as a user when I was responsible for international business development, and also worked in marketing and used the platform a lot to do market research and get information and generate leads. But the information that I got was really valuable because you have everything in one place. And with the external databases, I think that it's a good idea for the marketing department to take a look, because it could ease their work when they do a market research, and they can always, if they're interested in a market or a specific region, they can always contact the Chamber of Commerce as well and receive very important information from the Chamber of Commerce directly, which is something you cannot do with other platforms.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Thanks a lot for presentation.
Those are good questions, Vilja. Asta, could you follow up with that and try and find out who within Alex would be the contact person, so to begin that?
Again, yes, I will tell Asta. I will email immediately you the.
That's perfect. That's a great idea.
Okay.
Great. Well, would anyone else want to join or share some thoughts around this?
Can I ask something, Leila?
Sure.
As you already presented the Connect platform, do you have some kind of a very short presentation or some kind of document that's giving the similar information to share with my friends? Would it be possible?
We have a video on the website.
Okay.
I'll
Yeah, that will do.
I'll share the link in the chat.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
And if you need more information,
Sure. We'll
let
be in
us
touch.
know, and let
Okay.
us know as well.
Okay.
We have a YouTube video, so I'll just copy the link. Because it's more visual, like to have a video, and then if you need more information, you can let us know.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Also the website.
Yes, I'll share the link to the website as well.
So this is the website.
Yep.
Okay, so if there are no questions, remarks, feedbacks, you name it, then I guess we can close this.
Anyone?
Yes?
I'm not sure if
Okay.
I'm not sure if anyone wants to add something.
I see Arius, so I think it's Mindaugas. Mindaugai, do you want to add something? If you can hear us. Maybe not. Okay, thank you so much, Karolina and Leila, and everyone who joined. This recording will be posted on our YouTube channel, so the people who couldn't able to join, the people who let me know, they will be able to see it. And I know Karolina will always help us if we need some help with connects. And thank you so much again for your time. And Sharp and William, Julius, and everyone else. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for inviting and great presentations. Have a great day.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
and
Bye-bye.
hope to see you on the Connect platform. We can
We will.
continue our talks there.
Yeah.
Sure. We'll be in touch. Thank you very much.
Perfect.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a great day, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.